All right, guys, my name is William Agnew. We're here at the Cars and Coffee. This is our car back here, Jekyll and Hyde. So we got, what's your name, sir?
Jack.
We got Jack here. Jack owns this. What is this, Jack?
This is a 2012 McLaren MP412C.
Nice. Jack, tell us a little bit about it. Tell us, how long you had it, what you guys are into, what you do, all of that good stuff.
So let's see. We just got it back in June. Car was already ceramic coated. It's only got 5,000 miles since 8 years.
Nice.
And yeah, we just got it because of the condition and the color. It's McLaren orange. It's classic. It looks amazing. So
beautiful car. Is McLaren your thing? Are you in the exotics or hypers or muscles? Or
yeah. So my dad used to have a couple Lamborghinis, and he wanted to change it up. And this car is like, for how much performance and driving experience you get out of it for the money, it's just kind of a no-brainer.
Our audience loves to watch and they love to interact and socialize. Is there anything you guys do? Any websites? Any social media you want our guys to follow?
I have an Instagram. It's JackHay51, JackHay51. So that's pretty much everything. I don't really post my cars on there, but yeah, if you want to interact, talk about cars, then that's where you'll find me.
Well, he is at the car show. All right, guys, thanks. And thanks, Jack. Appreciate your time, bro.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate it. Nice car, beautiful car. So what's up, guys? This is William Agnew, Jekyll and Hyde. We're at the Cars and Coffee, and I have a fella right here, Mike. Mike, how you doing, Mike?
Good, how are you?
Good. So Mike has a beautiful car right here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about who he is, his car, his experience, and a little bit about his car. So, Mike?
Yeah. My name's Mike, as you said, and this is a 65 Shelby Daytona. Had it for about 4 months. It's actually new to us. I own a dealership called Motor Society. And we go through kind of curated cars, and we have anything from Ferraris, GT3s, built Land Cruisers, and old stuff like this. So this one's actually unique. This one has a built Chevy LS3 in it, which is unique to a Shelby car. It was a track focus built kit from Factory 5. But it's a 2016 build, but it's only has 1,700 miles on it, so it's pretty sweet. Just had it dyno tuned, 380 to the wheels, 420 to the wheels, a little bit more at the motor, obviously from a Mustang dyno. But it's a great car, really fun to drive, and full racing harnesses in it, and then casual lap belts for cruising.
So do you guys, I know this is muscle, right? So do you guys do exotics too? Any hypercars you guys?
Yeah. We had a Porsche GT3 we just sold the other day, 20 2015 GT3. And we just got a Ferrari 458 Spider in just 2 weeks ago.
Mike, if the guys want to check you out, if there's anything, any place, any website, any social media, tell them how they can contact you, find you, follow you, like you, all of that good stuff.
Absolutely. MotorSociety.com is where you can find all our cars listed. They're listed in various places as well, like Cars and Car Gurus, and Bring a Trailer as well.
All right. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it, man. Hey, you enjoy today. Beautiful car, man. Have a good one.